Hello and welcome to a Music Theory Minute. I'm Floyd Richmond. Today we'll talk about modes. The Greek name for the natural minor scale is Aeolian. There are two additional minor scales that are frequently used. Dorian, which is natural minor with a raised sixth scale degree, and Phrygian, which is natural minor with a lowered second. The Greek name for the major scale is Ionian. Likewise, there are two additional major scales. Lydian, which is major with a raised fourth, and Mixolydian, which is major with a lowered seventh. There is one additional scale which is neither major or minor. Locrian is most like the natural minor with a lowered second and fifth. These names are from Greek and are described in the writings of both Plato and Pythagoras. For a good illustration of these modes, rewrite the melodies and harmonies of a scalar song such as Joy to the World in each mode. It's possible to easily write modal scales as follows. Start with the key signature of any major scale. For Ionian, use the notes starting on the first scale degree through an octave. For Dorian, use notes starting on the second scale degree. For Phrygian, use notes starting on the third scale degree. For Lydian, use notes starting on the fourth scale degree. For Mixolydian, use notes starting on the fifth scale degree. For Aeolian, use notes starting on the sixth scale degree. For Locrian, use notes starting on the seventh scale degree. The chart below provides a summary of the major and minor modes and describes their construction with examples. The Aeolian mode is like the natural minor, or in a major key from the sixth to sixth scale degree. The Dorian mode is like the natural minor but with a raised sixth scale degree, or you can run from 2 to 2 in any major key signature. Note that the key signature for Dorian has one less flat, or one more sharp, than the Aeolian does. The Phrygian mode is natural minor but with a lowered second scale degree, or you can run 3 to 3 in any major key signature. Note that the key signature for Phrygian has one more flat, or one less sharp, than the natural minor. Let's look at major modes. There are three major modes, Ionian, Lydian, and Mixolydian. Ionian is simply a major scale, running from 1 to 1 in any major key signature. The Lydian is major but with a raised fourth scale degree, or it can run 4 to 4 in any major key signature. The key signature of Lydian has one more sharp, or one less flat, than the major scale. Mixolydian is major but with a lowered seventh scale degree, or you can run 5 to 5 in any major key signature. The Mixolydian key signature has one more flat, or one less sharp, than the major key signature. Finally, Locrian is a natural minor scale but with a lowered second and a lowered fifth scale degree, or you can run 7 to 7 in any major key. The Locrian scale is usually written in the major key signature a half step higher than its first note. Thank you for joining us today for a Music Theory Minute. Be sure to like and subscribe.